Before starting this video, I request you to press the red subscribe button, press the bell icon under the options menu, select all so that you won't miss any notifications from my channel. Welcome to Raj Creations. In this video, I came up with this beautiful neck design, embroidery design of Kutch work. Let's have a closer look. It is going to be a front slit pattern with tassel and dori, and how it looks. Let's start at the drafting. Here I am marking 3 inches. This is neck broadness, and again on downside 3 inches. We'll make a box of it. From here, shoulder drop has to be drawn. Now, giving a shape to neckline. Here, at a distance of 1 inches, I am making a line of 6 inches and giving 2 points of distance in between where we have to cut the cloth for slit making. Here placket has to be attached while stitching. As you can see, this neck looks broad, but after embroidery it will look like a boat neck shape. This drawing is the embroidery part from the neckline. After making a distance, we have to draw the line where embroidery has to be started. Now starting the first border part. This way we have to draw this step of border all around. This is a border part 1 of my previous videos. You can check that out, but this video is much more clearer than the earlier one, and I have given the complete instructions for embroidery. Now doing the second part, which we have to make. This border is of 4 steps. Here I am drawing the second step of the outline. 2 steps will be of filling. Draw from this corner. To give neck a proper shape, we have to make a line again all around, taking half inch of distance. We will fill this with zigzag stitches. Now drawing the third and the final border. See how we have to do on the corners. I have already made a video on this border, giving the link in the description box. This way, if you are making a tracing, you have to draw all this. Now on this corner, we have to increase the length of stitches gradually to give it a proper shape. On the front side, before 1 inches of gap, we have to fix a tassel with a dori, and on the center of the line where we have leave 2 point of space, a placket has to be attached while stitching. Try to use minimum space. On the underneath part, here I am drawing again a border design which I have shown in my previous neck design video. You can go through it. This is to increase the length of this placket area, and on the bottom we will attach a single square. This way the whole neckline will look like this. Now this is the back part of my kurti. Here I am using only 1 inch of depth. This is the front side. Here I have made the neckline sketch, showing you how to do this on fabric. This is the first step. Observe the thread movement, where the thread has to be moved while turning. You have to follow the same sequence. This is the outline part of my border video. As this fabric has a pink and a yellow border with it, so I am using these colors to give a matching. You can also make this design on your tops. It also look very beautiful on tops paired with jeans or skirts. Here I am making it for kurti. Now see the second step of this outline. Here we will move the thread upwards. Thread is up, and then after turning we will move it downwards. This way the second step will be completed. We have to do this all around the neckline. Always follow the same sequence. Where one step has been finished, the next step has to be started from there, else your stitches will well wrong and you won't be able to fill the pattern. Now as we are doing the second step, where this step will finish, the third step will start from there. This is the basic rule of Kutch work or Sindhi embroidery. Now I am showing you the third step of filling. In this filling part, thread moves only on the outline. We don't have to prick the needle on fabric. This way, one up and one down rule has to be followed. You can make so many designs with this border. This is the easiest border of Kutch work, and I have shown this in the second video of my channel, but this video is much more clearer comparison to that. This way we have to do the third step all around the neckline. Now from here onwards I am turning the thread to show you the fourth and the final part of this border, but you have to complete till the end. Just for showing you, I am turning thread from here. It is slightly different than the third step. One up and one down. We have to prick the needle like this only on the skeleton or outline of this. the tassel and a dory that I have shown in this thumbnail pic. I have made a separate video on tassel making. You can go through it. I am giving the link in the description box as well and in card also, shown on the right side of your screen. You can also click to watch that video of making tassel or latkan. Always use 4 strands of thread so that the fabric underneath is not visible and the embroidery look beautiful. Here, as you can see, for these lines I have used a chain stitch, quickly showing you few stitches how to do chain stitch if you are new to embroidery. This way chain stitch is made. We have to make this chain stitch from here to and then join it with the remaining part which I have done earlier. After completing the chain stitch, we will fill this portion with zigzag stitches. Here I am using green color thread, and you can see, as to give corner a proper shape, I am decreasing the size of length, decreasing the length of stitches, and gradually we will increase to give corner a sharp edge. Here you don't have to follow any strict rules for turning the thread, as this is a simple zigzag or herringbone stitch. Just simply do it to fill this area. Here I will be using 3 stitches, 2 with green color and 1 with off-white color. This way we have to make these stitches till the end of the neckline. Now how to do the second stitch, turning the thread from here. These stitches quickly fill the pattern. This way we will fill this area. These are kind of bridging stitches, just to filling stitches, to give embroidery a volume. Now in between these stitches, randomly I am using again a stitch. After filling, this will look like this. Again making a chain stitch, and now showing you the last and the final border. The first part of this border is same as I have shown in previous border with pink color. Now I am making the second step of this border. Here we will make small clusters over the border to give it a height. This is the second step. Observe the thread movement. This way we have to prick the needle, do the border. This is the second step of this border. Third and fourth step will be of filling. From here I am showing you the filling part. Suppose this is the end of this border and we have to start filling like this. Just showing you 2 or 3 blocks. If you watch it slowly, you can get the idea how to do this. I like the filling part very much. In order to show you continuously, I didn't cut the clip. This way we will do the third part of this border. I am showing you very slowly so that you can understand each and every step. If your outline part is correct, you can easily fill the whole border or any motif. I hope you will find this tutorial helpful. Discarding the slit part, you can also make a plain round design on your blouse too. Now showing you the fourth and the final part of this border. This is very much similar to the previous border part. Isn't look beautiful after filling? If you have any query regarding this, please ask me via comment section. Please subscribe to my channel and share my videos. This will help me to improve further. One tassel has been attached on the back side of this left hand side of this kurti, and one has to be attached on the front side before slit part where the round shape has been made. After completing the whole embroidery, this will look like this. I will attach a placket here on the center part, and again a piece of a cloth having the same neckline shape has to be placed above this neckline to stitch the neck area before chain stitch. This way we have to make a stitch in a round shape and then proceed towards the placket area and then turn again towards upwards. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.